Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel at Jackie Naturals. I'm glad you're back to watch my videos. Now a continuation of the probiotics, the best series that we have. Now I'm going to show you how to make kombucha from the SCOBY, and very simple. Kindly find the link on how we made the SCOBY, and kindly this will make you not to buy the store-bought kombucha to activate as the culture to make your kombucha at home. Kindly make sure, most of the videos I've seen, they don't do the SCOBY and the pellicle from the start. They give you the option of buying the store-bought kombucha, but ours is very interesting because we give you all the solutions from your home, affordable, and it's very good for people who want to lose weight, to activate the good bacteria in your gut, and also it stops diarrhea, and it prevents and stops diarrhea. The kombuchas are very good. They have the live bacteria and yeast that keeps off the bad bacteria, and also helping you to balance the hormones, and also for insulin resistance because of your metabolism starting from your gut, and weight loss, diabetes, people with blood sugars. Kindly make sure you do the probiotics because it all starts from your gut. Now, very simple. We boiled the black tea without the fruits because already we activated the bacteria and the yeast in our SCOBY and our pellicle. Now I'm going to put, you can do that. This one I'm doing for the video because I have a lot for my family. I don't need a lot, but you can do the amount. Go back to how we made the SCOBY and how we made the pellicle. Then you just get to know this is 500 ml water. I boiled it and then put some black tea. I had 2 sachets of black tea, and then I had 1 scoop of sugar. 1 scoop means the sieve. You can see in the video how we made the SCOBY and just see the measurements. And then I cooled it. It's now lukewarm. It's not very hot. Kindly remember, because we are adding the live culture now that we made the SCOBY, if you put hot drinks to make and adding the live culture, you're going to kill the bacteria, and we want our bacteria to thrive. I'm going to put in my jar. This is where I'm going to ferment. Within 3 days it's going to be okay. You can see this whatever you're seeing is amount of the sum of the fruits that we had put, but this one I haven't fermented yet. But you don't need the fruits in this one. This one is the one with the fruits. Remember, this one has the pellicle now. Yeah, I'm going to add some. Let me put here. When it ferments, the color changes a bit. Yeah, now I'm going to add my SCOBY. You can either use the SCOBY, the liquid that we have used, or even if you use the pellicle. Even if you want to use the pellicle, it will still do. Yeah, I'm going to leave it for 3 days. This is now my kombucha. Starting now the process for fermentation, and make sure you tightly close it. Remember, we said you can invent your own cloth. Yeah, make sure there is no air that is going to get in, to avoid putting the bad bacteria in. And now I'm going to put it in a dark place where there is no light, because we don't want any chemical reactions through the sunlight or through any rays from the light that is going to tamper with our kombucha. And now after 3 days, I'm going to use my kombucha. You don't need to refrigerate this one because the carbon dioxide that is activated from the yeast through the sugars, this is the preservative. Now what I do, after 3 days I start consuming it. It will have that tangy fizzy taste, and then I'm not going to consume all of it. I'm going to leave like up to this level that I can use to make more. Yeah, for people who want to do kombucha businesses, kindly, this is it. Now you don't need to buy anything from the shop. The first batch is not as good as the second batch. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for staying at Jackie Naturals. I love you so much. Kindly let's enjoy our kombuchas and let's keep our guts clean. Thank you so much.